Hello everyone, Silicon Valley Boy here, and today we will learn how to write your first Python program. First, open PyCharm and enter its main interface, which is the default page displayed each time you start the software. Here, select Create New Project to begin your work. Next, the software will automatically select a location for your project and name it Python project. Before finalizing the creation of the project, expand the Python version section to ensure that the project's base interpreter is set to Python 3. The interpreter is an essential tool for running Python programs, as it translates Python code into binary instructions that the computer can understand. Once the project is created, right-click the folder named Python project, choose New, and select Python file. Name this file helloworld.py. And start writing your code. Type print, ensuring all letters are in lowercase, and add parentheses. Inside the parentheses, include quotation marks and type hello world within them. Congratulations, you have successfully written your first Python program. This code will display Hello World on the screen. To run it, click the Run button in the upper right corner of the window. After running the program, you will see the output Hello World in the terminal window at the bottom. That's your first Python program. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I will address them. See you in the next one.